One of the biggest things we want to start addressing with you guys is how to prevent a water loss from occurring at your property. So as you can see right here, we have a nice, beautiful drain pan. So this is one of those things that a lot of times you guys are not going to actually go into your attic and inspect your own drain pan. Typically, you'll hire an AC contractor, a handyman, things like that. Some of the main key things I want to point out on this one. So right here is actually a Mad Dog float switch. This is wired into your thermostat. An AC installer can do this. Some handyman type guys or an electrician. If y'all want one of these installed, once I explain what it is, you can give us a call. We'll get our right guys out here to install them. This is wired in the thermostat. It's like a toilet flapper or a toilet float. What happens if this AC pan starts to fill up, it'll actually kill the AC system, causing the AC to stop running where that condensate will no longer fill the pan. Another thing is here, so you got your float switch. This is kind of a backup safety that'll shut down the system so you don't have additional water coming. But if the pan is still full, we have to worry about an issue there. So as you can see right here, this pan actually collapsed and it got in a bind due to the weight that was attached right here and structurally whenever this thing was sitting here. So as you can see, one of our clients kind of put some bricks underneath it, just kind of did a jerry rig repair just to kind of get by. But the main thing is this condensate line right here, you actually have a drain line that comes right off the unit. Then your secondary drain is right here, which is what we call a tattletale. What happens, this is usually piped in right above your bedroom or your kitchen sink windows. So you can actually see when that's dripping, showing that you actually have condensation and moisture in your drain pan. It's supposed to be coming out straight off the coil, but it's actually coming out of the secondary, the backup drain. So that is why this right here is there for preventive maintenance. But what happens is this one actually here failed and it can actually blow down and hit the rest of the house and affect everything. So make sure you guys are doing the proper maintenance on your water heaters, your air conditioner systems like that. Same thing if you got water heaters. You can also do a moisture sensor or flood stop on there as well. So then once water does get to that level, it will shut down before overflowing over the side. So anyways, if y'all have any questions about that, we can get you in touch with our AC guys, master plumbers, things like that. Just give us a call here at Warrior Wolf.